Alright guys, I just got the bimini, but I wanted to show you the seats. They came out awesome. What do you think? They're very comfortable. I think they came out amazing. Now we just got to get the fabric to match, but it was a great flight. See you guys later.